What are you doing? What's the matter? Are you mad at me? No? Okay, good. What are you gonna...
Peppa, it's time to come inside. It's time to come inside.
Were there...
Sit down, please.
Hi, yeah, I'd love some din din.
Since when does she get me?
Yeah, what are you having tonight?
Again.
Yeah, what about some treaties?
Wait, what's she planning?
We'll get some treats for afterwards, yeah?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Any adorable or interesting stories about your cats? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.
Let's go.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Jury attorneys has the experience to get you the most compensation fast.
Call now to speak directly to an attorney.
And that matters. Law and law, you know what matters most.
Macy, meow 3 times if you love me.
Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean?
Kitty.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Chaton, 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 meow, meow. Gatito, gatito, gatito.
She really believes I've reborn my multicultural as a cat.
Sí sabes.
You're not getting food yet. No. You get it at 1 or 2. It's not even noon yet. No. Kiwi.
Kelly!
Oh my goodness. Responding with what? When called is next level. The owners must have been stunned for a few seconds.
Buddy really silently signal for popcorn and expect Human will get it, huh?
Not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn.
It looks cute, but she has just farted.
But unfortunately, it's a really bad time.
Sorry.
One of the key aims of this coalition is to massively reduce.
No. No, no. No, no.
Darling, Mummy needs kisses, darling. Kisses, darling.
So you have to speak with an upper-class accent for the boss to obey. Really knows how to enjoy affection.
Now I understand why they said children learn fast from their parents. Because look at this kitty. She's trying to hold the mug the way her parents hold.
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in, shit in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
What is it? You're cold?
I'm cold.
I'm so hungry I could eat Nimbus.
The me reaction followed by running away is hilariously adorable.
Friends? Cow. What? Cow. Hmm.
安生，你别舔了，那是你弟弟呀，你舔他干嘛呀？一会儿把他头舔秃噜皮了。那你舔吧，反正你弟弟有蛋蛋，你没有。你没有。
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
I'm starting to think that stray cats often know languages to communicate and get food.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah. Maybe your room is a mess.
Yeah, I've been here the whole time.
Talking nonstop. Probably wants to tell a story or demand playtime from the human.
Salam alaikum.
We meet this cat again. Let's listen to his tone when he speaks Arabic.
Alhamdulillah.
Can you say hello? Yes, you did.
Guys, I'm so hungry, I could eat a cat.
The two were being affectionate until the human scared them.
Hi, Jill. What's she doing?
I'm so hungry I could eat Nimbus.
The me reaction followed by running away is hilariously adorable.
Hi, Jill. What's she doing?
Yeah. Maybe your room is a mess.
¿Sabes decir mamá, Kiri? ¿A ti? Mamá. Eso, mi amor, qué linda.
Say I love you. Thank you, Dave.
Cats talk to us one way and to each other in a whole different language.
What?
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Блин, слышишь, как кричит? На ушки одела, одела ушки так голову, обруч. Он прям вообще в зоне.